Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets and numbers. Kids colors name: red color, yellow color, blue color, green color, black color, yellow color. Kids now coloring alphabets and numbers. Kids firstly draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color. B. B for ball, B for bat, and again use red color. Kids now draw C. C for cat, C for car, the alphabets of C, and again use red color. Kids now draw D. D for dog, D for doll, and use yellow color, the alphabets of D. Kids again use yellow color and draw E. E for egg, E for elephant, the alphabets of E. F. F for fish, F for fan. Kids now draw G. G for goat, G for grapes, and use blue color, the alphabets of G. Kids again use blue color and draw H. H for hand, H for helicopter. Kids now draw I. I for ice, I for ice cream, the alphabets of I. Kids now draw J. J for joker, J for jackfruit, and use green color. Kids again use green color and draw K. K for kite, K for king, the alphabets of K. Kids again use green color and draw L. L for lion, L for lemon. Kids now draw M. M for moon, M for mango, the alphabets of M, and use black color. Kids again use black color and draw N. N for nose, N for nest, the alphabets of N. O. O for orange, O for octopus, the alphabets of O. Kids now draw P. P for parrot, P for penguin, the alphabets of P, and use yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw Q. Q for queen, Q for quail, the alphabets of Q. Kids now draw R. R for rose, R for rice, and use red color, the alphabets of R. S. S for sun, S for snake, the alphabets of S. Kids now draw T. T for teacher, T for tiger, and again use red color, the alphabets of T. Kids now draw U. U for umbrella, U for uncle, and use yellow color, yellow color. The alphabets of U. Kids neither V. V for van, V for vanilla. The alphabets of V. Kids again use yellow color and draw W. W for watch. The alphabets of W. Kids neither X. X for X-ray, X for Xmas tree, and use blue color. Blue color. The alphabets of X. Kids again use blue color and draw Y. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. Kids neither Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. The alphabets of Z. And again use blue color. Kids neither numbers. And first we draw 1. The numbers of 1. And use green color. Green color. O N E 1. 2. T W O 2. Kids again use green color and draw 3. The numbers of 3. T H R W 3. 4. The numbers of 4. F O U R 4. It's neither 5. The numbers of 5. And use green color. Green color. F I V E 5. 6. The numbers of 6. S I X 6. 7. S E V E and 7. Kids again use black color and draw 8. The numbers of 8. E I G H T 8. Kids neither 9. The numbers of 9. And use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. N I N E 9. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw 10. The numbers of 10. T E and 10. Kids today draw A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.